On this occasion, each academic department recognizes members of the senior class who through their time in the upper school have evidenced in respective academic discipline, outstanding achievement, a willingness to challenge themselves at the highest level, genuine curiosity about the subject, and ability to enhance the learning of others. This recognition is reserved for one student or for a very small select group of students for each department. For the Department of English, the recipients are Annika Baking, Addie Butler, and Ceci Ryder. For the Department of History, the recipients are Lance Hume and Abby Zhao. For the Department of Math, the recipient is Carrie B. For the Department of Science, the recipients are Irina Alcahoon and Sean Jackson. For the Visual and Performing Arts, the recipients are Irina Ella Cahoon and Megan Smith. For World Languages, the recipients are Annika Baking for Chinese, Camille Hamela for Spanish, Carrie Yee for Spanish, and Ceci Ryder for Latin.
It is now my pleasure to present awards that recognize student accomplishments in athletics, extracurricular activities, and other areas. The Junior Speech Award is given to the junior student whose speech is deemed most outstanding. And this goes to Jennifer Lee. The Theater Award is presented to that student who has been a dedicated participant in the Columbus Academy Theater Program and whose contributions have best demonstrated significant growth and unparalleled excellence. This award goes to Elena West. The Carlisle Award is given to that student who has demonstrated the highest degree of interest, enthusiasm, and commitment for the written word, as evidenced by contributions to school publications. This award goes to Lauren Golden and Angela Booth. Sorry, that got muffled. Sean Jackson. Season athletes. Every year, Academy recognizes those students who have demonstrated commitment and perseverance by representing the school in interscholastic competition every season of their 4 years at Columbus Academy. This award goes to, and there's a short list, Justin Alpert, Dorian Bristol, Mikey Jockus, Tommy Jockus, Ella Lowry, Lauren Kroll, Eleanor Schroeder, Grayson Thomas, Sam Whitson, and Nick Yakum. The Margaret Plessinger Cup is awarded annually to the female athlete in the graduating class who has made the greatest contributions to athletics as determined by a vote of the coaching staff. This award goes to Allie Kleinfelter. The James W. Stahl Cup is awarded annually to the male athlete in the graduating class who has made the greatest contribution to athletics as determined by a vote of the coaching staff. And this goes to Ryan Witt. The Service Board Awards of Merit recognize individual students who display qualities of service beyond expectation and unselfishly give their time and effort for the sole benefit of others. These awards go to Justin Alpert, Yasmin Billion, Milana Biswas, Arya Shabria, Allison Chen, Malia Chow, Joseph Diver, Ali Kleinfelter, Stella Lee, Ella Lowry, Kelly Rocky, Claire Schultz, Eric Schuster, Drew Stokes, Eliora Teferi, and Jack Yeoman. The Sumner F. Dennett Cup honors that member of the upper school who has made a conspicuous contribution to the community by participation and leadership in the work of community organizations. This goes to Justin Alpert and Arya Shabria.
Our final 4 awards today recognize members of the senior class whose accomplishments and qualities of character match Columbus Academy's highest ideals. Each of these awards has been in existence at the school for over a half-century, although in some cases a different name has been attached. The Alumni Cup was presented in 1936 by the alumni to honor the leadership of Frank P.R. Van Sickle, founding headmaster of Columbus Academy. It is given annually to the senior whose work has been characterized by the highest degree of independence of thought, originality, and genuine intellectual curiosity irrespective of material incentives. The recipient this year is Annika Baking. The Faculty Prize is awarded to the graduating senior who has shown the most improvement in academics and other hard-to-define areas such as character, attitude, physical development, emotional maturity, and citizenship. The recipient this year is Grayson Thomas. The Andrew William Carey Cup was established by the class of 1951 in honor of their classmate Andrew W. Carey Jr., and it is awarded annually to the senior chosen to be the speaker for the graduating class. The Carey Cup recipient delivers the valedictory address at commencement. This year's recipient is Mikey Jocks. And finally, the Hamill Award, named in honor of James L. Hamill, principal founder of Columbus Academy, and it is presented to that member of the senior class who has demonstrated positive leadership, combined with a high degree of excellence in academics and school activities, and consistently has upheld the honor of the school. Our recipient this year is Ceci Ryder.